Hey guys, it's Wala Ladipo here. A quick motivation for you today from my book, Happiness and Success Principles, 601. It says that the most powerful factories for change are within you. Your mind, your imagination, and your applied faith. Mind, imagination, faith. The most powerful factories for change are within you, not outside of you. Not behind you, within you. Your mind is a factory for ideas. Your mind is a factory for insight and possibilities. And your imagination is the eye of the mind that attracts possibility, great things. If you can imagine it, you can create it. And faith is taking the first step. Even though you cannot see the entire staircase. That is what Martin Luther King Jr. said. Faith is taking the first step. Even when you cannot see the entire staircase. So I want to talk to you. The factory for change is within you. But the question is, do you believe in you? Do you believe in the possibilities of your own potentiality? Write down all your negative thinking about you and convert them to positive, and start to believe. Start to find time for your mind to calm down. Go into a quiet place and tell yourself that I am creative, I am resourceful, I have the energy within me to create my future, to whatever you want to achieve. The ability of the mind to look inside itself and to believe in itself is crucial to transformation. And look at it again. The most powerful factories for change are within you. Your mind, your imagination, and your applied faith. Think about this today. Speak to you soon.